Hi everyone, I know there has been some confusion about how to sign up for the iLab, so I thought I would create a short screencast to show you how to do so. In the Monday memo each week, there will be a link to the master calendar. When you click on the link to the master calendar, it will pull up all calendars you have access to. I'm going to pick a space over here on Thursday the 25th to sign up for the iLab. I will click in a space and I will put my name and the time that I need to be in the iLab. Then one important note for it to show up on the master calendar is to come over here to where it says guest and to type in the iLab room. When I start to do that, you will see that it will populate iLab 206. I click on iLab 206 to show that it will come up on my personal calendar and the school's master calendar. I hit save. When I hit save and it says, would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guest, you can click don't send and it will save it. And then you will notice that it will populate on your personal calendar as well as the master calendar to show that the iLab is booked. This is how you will book for right now times in the iLab. If you have any questions or ideas to make it a little bit easier, please let Liz Harder know and she'll be glad to help. Thank you.